A Swiss woman has been raped and murdered in Thailand after traveling to the country alone under a new post-lockdown tourism scheme in Phuket. The 57-year-old was discovered lying face down in a rocky pool at the bottom of a waterfall with a black tarpaulin thrown over her body on Thursday afternoon. A pair of jean shorts, underwear, a pair of trainers and a phone were found not far from her body at the nature reserve in the Wichita area of Phuket. Detectives say the victim, who has not been named, died around 3 days ago. She had been raped and murdered, local media reported. Immigration officials confirmed that the Swiss woman arrived at Phuket Airport from Singapore on July 13 under the Phuket Sandbox scheme, which started last month. The reopening scheme allows vaccinated foreigners to travel to Phuket without needing to quarantine as in other parts of the country. After 14 days in Phuket, which is heavily reliant on tourist money, foreigners are allowed to travel further within Thailand. The woman had stayed first at the Dusit Thani Laguna Hotel from July 13 to 27 before moving around 15 miles south to the Mooring Resort Hotel, according to the Bangkok Post. A witness told police he saw her leaving the hotel and walking towards the beach at around 2 p.m. on Tuesday. A local villager alerted officers after finding the woman at around 1:30 p.m. on Thursday. The woman had previously visited Phuket in 2019. Her body has been sent for an autopsy at Vaikira Phuket Hospital.